Welcome to a regular broadcast of the NOVA Airmada's channel into the histories of 1/400 scale model aircraft. Today we cover the lifetime career of the Kalitta Air 747-446 BCF, wearing the standard red and gold Kalitta livery along with a face mask. This aircraft is powered by 4 General Electric CF6 series high bypass turbofans, with each engine able to generate up to 63,300 horsepower or 281 kilonewtons. Each aircraft can carry up to 660 passengers, but has been known to carry over 1,000 in an emergency situation. This aircraft has a standard cruise speed of 490 knots or 907 kilometers an hour, with a range of around 7,600 nautical miles or 14,200 kilometers with a standard payload. Originally, this 747-446 was delivered to Japan Airlines on June 7th of 1993. At the time of its delivery, the aircraft was painted in the Landor designed red crane on the tail livery with the registration of JA8909. In mid to late 2003, the aircraft was repainted to the new Landor designed Arc of the Sun livery. By December of 2006, the aircraft received the Boeing freighter conversion package and was delivered to the cargo department of Japan Airlines. The aircraft retained the same registration and livery as before, but now carried cargo vice passengers worldwide. The aircraft was removed from service in 2009 and stored at the Victorville Airplane Boneyard in September of 2010. After a short stay at the Victorville Boneyard, the aircraft was acquired by Kalitta Air in December 2010. The plane received the standard Kalitta Air red and gold livery and the new registration of November 744CK. From February 2021 to December 2022, this aircraft wore the mask seen on this model in response to the global pandemic going on at the time. It has since then had the mask removed and the aircraft returned to the standard Kalitta Air livery and continues flying cargo worldwide today. What you are seeing now is a video showing the 1/400 scale Phoenix model version of this aircraft, released in 2021. Gemini Jets and JC Wings have both produced the Kalitta Air version of this aircraft with the mask livery in both 1/400 and 1/200 scales. As for the Japan Air version of this aircraft, Blue Box, Phoenix models, and NAP models produce various versions of the passenger-carrying aircraft in 1/400 and 1/500 scales. If you like what you see, hit those like buttons and tell your friends and family about us. We've enjoyed making this video and we hope you've had fun watching it. This channel survives with you, the viewer, and your ongoing support. The more you like my videos helps me get more views, and more views brings in more subscribers. This in turn generates a wider distribution around YouTube, which repeats the process. Thank you, and good day.